This is a Liliput overhead maintenance vehicle. It's a BR704. You've got a manually turning platform there, and then the handrails can be laid down for transport. It does have a pantograph there. It's non-functional. Now I've added the ESU lock sound decoder with the correct sound profile for the unit. It's on their webpage. There's some funny things. There are things that are backward. So all the lights come on an F0. And then you actually have to select auxiliaries to turn things off. So you can turn out the work lamps there, or the interior lights there, and the cab light will turn out automatically as it runs. So I've set all these things up based on some vague instructions within the unit. Really nice mechanism, as you can see. Lots of different sound effects. That tool's working. Let that settle down. I'll press the right button this time. Right, it's the main startup. And you see that all the lights dim down as the diesels start up. It's twin diesel motors. It's a really fun machine. There's 31 functions, all sorts of different sounds. So there's a heavy load on function 5. So I'll turn it on, it will change the inertias. And function 13 is coasting, so we'll see how that does. Not sure. Oh, wrong one, it's function 12. Too many functions. So yes, it will just run along without revving the engine up with 12 on. There's a curve squeal. So the decoder really brings this particular vehicle to life. Why the functions are reversed, I have no idea. That must have been a choice at Liliput, but they never offered a sound version of this model, so it all seems a bit weird. Maybe they planned to, maybe that's what happened. And shut down